Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. Hey girl. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Hopefully you'll stay a while, watch some more content, and subscribe before you go. But today we are going to be doing a review on this wig that I have on right here, right now. The color is cute. It's a V Part wig and we have absolutely no leave out. So let's get into it. Hey y'all, so this wig was sent over to me from Beauty Forever, and as we all know, this is what their packaging looks like. So inside of the box they have obviously the wig and then like this little thing of goodies. It had wig caps, lashes, clips, and then they also gave a silk bag for you to like store your wig in if you so choose. But now that we've seen all of the goodies, let's get into the wig. Now initially I feel like this color is showing up very much so orange on camera, but it's really not. It looks really pretty in person and you'll see later on in the video. But this is their 24-inch V Part wig in a color FB30. And as you can see, it is a curly texture, and this is the construction. It just has the combs, like the comb clips along the V-part area, and then the regular combs on the side, comb in the back, adjustable straps. And I wanted to give you a close-up of like whatever this is. I'm not sure if it's netting. It kind of looks a little bit like lace, but it's black. So that's the only reason why I'm saying it might be netting. But yeah, this is what it looks like up against the skin. And yeah, y'all know I just like to show y'all what the wig looks like before I co-wash it. And this is like the full length of the wig. Okay, so this is what the wig looks like after it has been co-washed and air dried. I'm really hoping that this is not going to be teamed too much with like this hair color in this set. Okay, so what I need to do now is do my anchor braids. So let's get started.
Oh, yeah. Vanessa never leave me.
The beat check.
Should I comment on her Twitter? Should I tell her how I feel bad? She's the woman for me. She's a queen and a demon. Vanessa come through that. Vanessa roll and go. Make you no ignore me. You see me standing close. I'm a OG. No, they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you home. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. He said, love me, love me, love me. Yeah. Egg bomb you, body on fire. Baby, you're burning, burning, burning. Every day I dey give her. Every night when I see her, say they can't no believe her. Every day I dey give her. Every night when I see her, say they can't no believe her. Vanessa come through that. Vanessa roll and go. Make you no ignore me. You see me standing close. I'm a OG. No, they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you home. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. He said, love me, love me, love me. Yeah, yeah. Egg bomb you, body on fire. Baby, you're burning, burning, burning. Should I comment on her Twitter? Should I tell her how I feel like? She's the woman for me, she's a queen and a demon. Vanessa come through that. Vanessa roll and go. Make you no ignore me. You see me standing close. I'm a OG. No, they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you home. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me, love me. He said, love me, love me, love me. Yeah. Vanessa come through that. Vanessa roll and go. Make you no ignore me. You see me standing close. I'm a OG. No, they do me so. Oh, pretty girl, I wanna take you home. Baby, love me, love me, love me, love me,
that was super quick in total time of me literally like starting record and braiding my hair and all of that stuff and fluffing it out, teasing apart. It was literally 11 minutes. 11 minutes. Oh my goodness. And I think it looks really, really cute. Like what I've noticed with these V Part wigs is that when you have a straighter texture, and for some, like, you might be able to like finesse and work it out, but with like the curlier textures overall, I feel like it's so much easier to do the no leave out method, because you could tease the part, like where the whatever this is called, I don't even know what it's called, but you know what I'm saying, like at this part you could tease it and it doesn't look unnatural to have it like a little bit teased right there. Whereas I feel like with a straight wig or a kinky straight wig, it's supposed to be straight and sleek, so if it's teased, it look funny, like, you know what I'm saying? It just doesn't look like, it looks like, one of these things does not belong, like, you know what I'm saying? Whereas like with a curly wig or a kinky curly wig or whatever the case may be, you can do the teasing. It works. Like right now, you see it, a little bit of teasing that I got going on. It's fine. It is fine, especially with like, now that I've fluffed the hair up, like it just looks effortless. And then like this color too, at first I was feeling like, girl, are you doing too much with like the color and then the hair color? Like, is it doing too much? But then I realized like it's just enough. It's just enough. It looks cute. Like this hair color looks cute with this. This is like a one-piece skirt sweater set situation, but the color at first I thought it wasn't going to go well with the hair color. I thought it was going to clash and be like team too much, but it's giving. It's giving. This is so cute. Curl pattern is really good too. Again, this is absolutely positively no product. I don't typically put product in my curly wigs. Like, I just don't feel it's necessary. I co-wash with conditioner, and if it needs to be washed, then I wash it with shampoo, but usually a co-wash is good enough because I don't put product. But I co-wash, I let it air dry, and that is all. I think I'm gonna change my earrings. As far as like the quality of this wig, I definitely feel like, for one, this hair quality is nice. This curl pattern is beautiful. The color was done very, very well. And the shedding, it did not really shed as much as I thought it would, especially for it being like a curly wig. And then the type of construction that these V parts are, usually in my experience, like they kind of like shed a little bit more because of how the netting is like up there. But this wig did not really shed that much throughout the wash process. Like, and I used the Tangle Teaser to like brush the conditioner through, to like brush it and get the curl popping after I rinsed the conditioner out, and it really wasn't that much shedding, so that's good. Okay, y'all, so I think I pretty much covered everything when it comes to this wig. If you're interested, I will leave all of the links to the wig and to the company down in the description box for you to check it out. Once again, shouts out to Beauty Forever for sending me over this wig and collaborating with me on today's video. Give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and I will catch you in my next one. Enjoy the rest of your week, your weekend, whatever it may be. Peace and blessings.